Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, happy anniversary, happy anniversary.
50 years ago, 1975, two different personalities met. They fell in love with each other, and then they got married. Today they are going to celebrate their 50th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, Romy and Fe, and also happy birthday to Romy. God bless you both. Love you both.
Happy anniversary, Pe and Romy. And happiest birthday to Romy. God bless you both.
Hello
po.
Vernon po. Happy 50th anniversary po, Auntie Pe. Sabi natin po ganyan. Pasensya na po kayo. At happy birthday po kay Uncle Romy.
Happy birthday, Dada Romy. And happy 50th wedding anniversary. We love you and hope to see you soon. From Fakun and Rodriguez family,
from Dubai.
Hi, Romy and Fe.
Hello!
Sayang hindi kami maka-attend sa birthday ni Romy, pati sa wedding anniversary ninyo. But anyway, we wish you a blessed anniversary and birthday ni Romy.
Yes, sweeter as the years goes by. A blessed, happy golden anniversary, and the Lord bless and keep you. Good health be upon you. Bye.
Greetings from Brookside, Cainta, Fe and Romy. Binabati namin kayo ng isang masagana at masayang gintong anibersaryo.
Buhay!
Good luck and God bless.
Hi Tita Fe and Tita Romy, this is your scholar Sab from Manila. Kumusta po kayo? I hope you're both in good condition po and you are smiling while watching this video. Gusto ko po kayong batiin on your golden wedding anniversary. That's 50 years of love, commitment, and shared memories, which for me is truly inspiring. And to you, Tita Romy, happy 80th birthday po. Even though I'm not there physically, I will be celebrating with you in spirit. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for everything. And kung nakikita niyo sa likod, that's my college diploma. At wala po yan dyan kung wala po yung tulong niyo sa akin. Right now, I work in a corporate and I'm happy with what I do. You are a big part of my journey, and for me, you are a blessing. So I pray that God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and more love this coming years.
Hi, Faye and Romy. Happy 50th anniversary. Wishing you years of good health,
love and togetherness. Greetings, Romy and Fe, sa inyong 50th. Asensya na kayo, we will not be able to attend. By that time, we will be in Switzerland. So anyway, enjoy your special day. At saka we're looking forward to your 51st, 52nd, 53rd, and more years ng togetherness. Okay?
Yes. Happy anniversary.
Hi, Fe and Romy. Congratulations and best wishes on your golden wedding anniversary. To Romy, happy 80th birthday. And may you have 20 years more to celebrate.
This is Conde and Fe from Montreal, Canada. On this special day, we wish you all the happiness your heart can hold. and all the success your hands can grasp, and all the love you deserve.
Happy birthday, Romy, and happy golden anniversary to both of you, Romy and Faye. God bless. You're always in our hearts. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Uncle Romy and Auntie Fe. Happy birthday, Uncle Romy.
Happy birthday, Uncle Romy.
All the best and hope to see you soon.
Greetings from all of us from London. Happy wedding anniversary, Manang Fe and Manang Romy Mangoba. And also, Manang Romy, happy 80th birthday from all of us. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! And happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Flowers for our favorite couple, Paring Romy and Maring Fe, who is celebrating their wedding anniversary today.
Happy golden wedding anniversary, Tito Romy and Tita Fe.
May the good Lord continue to bless you and your family with good health and happiness.
Also,
belated happy birthday,
Tito Romy. We miss you and see you soon. Yay! Bye-bye! See you!
Hello, Faye and Romy. Happy 80th birthday, Romy. And happy golden anniversary to both of you. I wish you both joy, peace, happiness, good health, and fulfilled life. Good luck and thank you. God bless you.
Happy golden anniversary, Faye and Romy. Also, happy birthday, 80th birthday, Romy. Enjoy!
Hello, this is Lenny and Donna from Staten Island, New York. We would like to wish Faye and Romy on their 50th wedding anniversary, and also happy birthday, 80th birthday, dear Romy Mangoba. Hope you have more celebrations to come. Okay, here's Nona.
Hello, Faye and Romy.
Happy
anniversary, 50th wedding anniversary, and your 88th birthday.
Hope you enjoy your celebration, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. No, ako.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Romy, and happy anniversary.
Love you. Love, bye-bye. Balita ko, may kaganapan sa Vallejo, California.
Oo nga, 'di ba? Sabi, dapat nga nandun tayo para maki-join.
Oo, dapat makapag-walk man lang, kay Romy. Romy, another milestone, 80 years old ka na pala.
O, tsaka hindi lang yun. Ang pinakamabigat, 50th wedding anniversary.
Oh, hanep. Ang laki pala ng celebration ngayon dyan.
Oo, kaya big time.
Romy, I hope sa birthday mo, you'll be happy, and the years ahead, maging healthy ka palalo at makalaro pa tayo ng golf.
Yeah, at si Ate Fe, ganun din. May you live a long, happy life. Happy wedding anniversary,
and
happy
80th birthday, Romy. Bye!
50 taon ang nakalipas. Pag-iibigan ni Romy at Fe ay parang nilabhan sa tay. Hindi pa rin kumukupas. Patuloy na bumubusilak. Maligayang anibersaryo, Fe and Romy. At maligayang kaarawan, Romy.
Happy 50th anniversary, Fe and Romy. Congratulations. Cheers. Wishing you many more wonderful, blessed anniversaries to celebrate, filled with love, joy, happiness, and the best of health.
And happy birthday, Romy. All the best.
Cheers to you.
from San Diego, this is Ernie.
And Zen.
Hi, Romy and Fe. It's Vic and Grace. Wishing you a happy anniversary and a happy birthday. Sorry we're missing your party. I'm sure it's a blast. As you know, we're flying in from out of town right now. So may you have many more and have a fun party. Bye.
Hello from San Diego. Happy 80th birthday, Tito Romy.
And happy anniversary, Tita Fe and Tito Romy.
Hope to see you guys soon.
Bye-bye.
Uncle Romy and Auntie Fe.
Happy 50th anniversary.
And a very happy birthday to you, Uncle Romy. We wish you a wonderful time celebrating.
Yay.
Take care.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Romy! Happy golden anniversary, Lola Fe and Lola Romy from Castro family! Yay!
Maligayang anibersaryo sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging maligaya at masagana ang inyong pagsasama sa hinaharap. Happy birthday, Romy!
Happy anniversary, Romy!
Happy anniversary, happy anniversary.